Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at this is the Pemko, part number 349732, left-hand Astragal Boot Replacement for the Pemko 3497. So there are two hands of these bottom boots, and they're of course different, symmetrically opposite of each other. And the way that these are handed, so you know which one to order, is going to be what hand is the door is the Astragal applied to. Best way to call it is to if you had a right hand door that was your active door, if you had a right hand active door, the Astragal would go on the left. It would be appropriate to declare both. Right hand active, Astragal is left hand. The Astragal is the hand that is the door that it's being attached to. So if you're attaching it to your left-hand door, it'd be a left-hand Astragal. There is a cut sheet down below this video that shows a cross-section of the 3497, and I have it pulled up here on my screen. And what we're looking at there is in a top-down sort of fashion. And the boot goes on the bottom of the entire arrangement. It slides in from the bottom so that when the door closes, it will make contact with your sill and seal off the bottom of it. These items do wear out. They do fall out. They come out. They are, the material fatigues. They're no longer very effective at sealing, and replacing a bottom boot is a very typical maintenance item on an installed pair of doors in a residential application, let's say 10 years down the road, that kind of thing. A couple of basic dimensions. Overall width, or depth, about 2 11/16. Overall width up here, it's about 1 7/16 inches. Okay, the posts that slide into the Astragal preparation itself, about 1 7/16, and about 1 3/8, 1 7/16 on both of those. I would imagine, but that hole is what would be called a weep hole, is what that is. Okay. Thickness of the item down here at the base looks like it's about 1/2 inch. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Pemko products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Pemko? This is their part number 349732. Left-hand bottom replacement boot only for their 3497 Astragal or any other Pemko product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.